following training is sponsored by the Niagara Library System. We serve our member libraries in Niagara, Orleans, and Genesee counties. Please visit your local library homepage and use your library card to get access to streaming videos, downloadable music, audiobooks, ebooks, and even more from the comfort of your own home. Thank you. Okay, welcome to part 2 here of the Blue Cloud app, which is the new mobile app for Apple and Android for the Niagara Library System. And what we're looking at here now is the information you can get when you click the link on your library's homepage on the internet. Okay, so you get a bunch of information, including these types of screenshots, which show you what you can do with the app. So you can see this here. You can see there's more screenshots as to where are the libraries. If you were interested in, say, this particular book, which libraries have it, the nearest libraries, and what their hours are. And you can even go, and if you give the app permission for your location, you can even get directions through your map app, which is, to me, is one of the greatest. GPS is one of the greatest inventions of all time. Well, like right before electricity and indoor plumbing, stuff like that. At any rate, one of the cool things that you're going to see, and you're going to see now around your library, is these things called QR codes. So let me pull this one up, and this particular QR code right here looks kind of like television fuzz, but what it does is for a computer, it actually tells the computer what website to go to or where to go to actually get the information that's encoded in this QR code. What I'm going to do now on my phone is I'm going to actually open my camera app. I'm just going to open my plain old camera app. When I point my camera there, what it does is it actually gives me, now so you can see this is a screenshot of what it was looking at. It gives me right under here the actual website I can go to live while the camera is looking at this QR code. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and try this. So I'm going to position my camera here in front of the QR code. I am going to now I'm going to tap that website. And when I do that, lo and behold, what comes up is the Play Store. And in the Play Store, Google Play Store, it is the Niagara Library System catalog. So that's fantastic. And all I have to do now is tap install, which I'm going to do, and we'll see what happens from there. Once it installs, I'm going to click the open button, and lo and behold, here is the proper home screen. Great. Anytime I'm looking at these, now let me see if I can pull up this home screen. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch from my live phone to the screen here because it's easier to see. Whenever I'm looking at this, and this is the first time I'm looking at this on my phone, it says, as it says here on the screen, scan ISBN barcode. I'll show you where those are. Nearest libraries, my account, ebooks and e-audio, and then online resources. Okay. There's also, as you can see here, there is, of course, the magnifying glass for searching, which is great. There's also what's called the little hamburger menu. It's those little 3 lines. That hamburger menu always indicates that there's more information underneath there. So out of curiosity first, I'm going to actually tap the hamburger menu on my phone. When I tap the hamburger menu, a little side light pops in that says, sign in, language preference, and other preferences. If I tap my account, I wonder what happens. And actually, when I tap my account, the exact same thing happens. So this is great. You can go ahead and tap my account, and the very first time you load this, okay, on your machine, you're going to want to make sure that you absolutely sign in. So let's tap sign in. It is going to gives you an opportunity to actually scan your library card, put in your PIN. It says keep me signed in and log in. Once I get signed in, it doesn't look like anything much has changed. It does say there is a new my barcode here down at the bottom. And let's see, when I tap my account, on here, When I tap my account, it does actually give me a whole list. So I have how many things I have checked out. I currently have 2 things checked out: my holds, my fine information, any linked accounts, preferences, languages, excuse me, and I also get the opportunity to sign out as well. Everything looks, pretty easy in that. So you know what? Let me find a book, and we're going to try this scan the ISBN barcode first. So I grabbed this particular book. Now I know this is, obviously I'm in a library. I know this is a library book, but this is a good one, a mystery, Joe Pickett novel by C.J. Box. And the ISBN is the International Serial Book Barcode Number. I'm going to have the right thing up here somewhere, okay? But the ISBN is the code here that's usually on the backs of the books. Sometimes it could be on the inside, whatnot, okay? But I'm gonna see how this works. So if I take this, and this is kind of like other apps, so like for example, I do have like the Walmart app on my own phone, and if I go to Walmart and I wanna check a price, I can open up the Walmart app and scan the barcode, and then the price pops up. So that's kind of neat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose again the scan barcode. When the first time I do this, I do have to allow the app library to take pictures and record video. That is the point of having the app, to scan it. So I do have to allow that. I can allow while using the app only this time, or I can say don't allow. I'm going to say just while using the app. Otherwise, it's supposed to not be able to access any of my pictures or anything like that. So what happens now is the the camera pops up, and there is a highlighted area for the barcode. So I'm going to take the book. I'm going to place the ISBN in that highlighted area, and it worked. There it is. Okay, nowhere to run. One result found, any format. The other thing it has, as we look at it, is there's a little caret, over caret, so I'm going to go ahead and tap that, see what happens. It says it is a catalog item. I get the opportunity immediately to place a hold here. Gives me information, a nice summary of information. It tells me which library. So, hi Batavia, you have a regular print, and Niagara, hey, we have a large print. I can certainly go ahead and place a hold for that particular item, which is great. That's a good start. This is very interesting. I've been having some fun, so I hope you are too. And take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.